Hello, Mala.
Battery low.
So thanks, Auntie. Yes, I know her. She's my schoolmate. Okay, you're her aunt. Okay, she suggested. Okay, Auntie. Welcome, Auntie. Kavita, I. Namaste, Auntie. Kavita, I'm not taking questions. Only donated readings. Poonam Gupta, welcome. Poonam, when will my daughter get life partner about him? Poonam, paid session, only donated readings I'm taking. Hi, Swati. I was waiting for you, Swati, actually. Okay, so let's start. Is my ex still holding on me? Regrets for me not being there with him. Any relevant place? So his name is Vinod. Okay. So I just want to know, Swati, does he contact you lately? Are you in touch with him? I think maybe I don't see your. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, you're talking. So why I asked? I felt you're in connection. I see true love for you from his side. I see lot of expectations he had from you. Like he need you to marry him, or he needed you actually for the life long term. I see actually something did not work in finance, or something in his stability did not work for him. So I something lagged actually. Maybe he disconnected with you. I see that also. Yes, I still feel lot of strong energy for him towards you. I feel actually I'm feeling the pain near the heart right now. I don't know, maybe it's very genuine to your love, or maybe it's very genuine to you. Maybe he used to never lie, I think so. Vinod, for Swati. Is there any regrets for him? I see, yes, he's feeling lot of things right now. He's feeling maybe he wanted to marry you, maybe he wanted to have family with you, maybe I see he wanted to take action. Maybe there is a chance now also, maybe he will come up with that. I see, maybe it's up to you whether to decide, but I don't know whether he will express or no. Lately might I see the messages, I see indirect messages starting, but I see him contacting you directly and asking to meet you or something like that. So is he stable in his finance? I see he's still worried to set up his finance, or maybe he want more growth in finance. He's looking for the finance essentials right now. So I see judgment card. Maybe is still I don't know whether he's married or right now no. So you have to tell me whether he has a wife or as a girlfriend right now, but he has really has a love connection still with you. I see genuine feelings and true love. Actually true love connection is there between right now for him. I don't know about you, but he's feeling still the same way when he speaks to you, and is feeling your love. Maybe is thinking about the past situations, and the conscious situations where you both spent each other, maybe those times. Okay, he's married, but maybe he may express you still his feelings right now. I see that. But I don't know whether he will walk. I see walking away. Like I don't know who will walk away. Maybe he may walk away from you. Otherwise, from his wife. Maybe it may be just like few days. You may few days. I think 6 months or 6 weeks. He will talk to you. Later, he will decide and walk away from you. Might be the situation which even he cares his family right now is already moved on, but he has a lot of feelings for you still. But the past, the first feeling which emotionally was connected to you was connected to you only. He does express, so wanted to know if he converses genuinely. So Swati, one more thing I want to tell from your side. I'm feeling you won't move on from your family, and you will hold your children's or maybe your husband. You won't move on. If he express also, I see maybe there won't be any changes and movement, and even he can't take an action because he has already a family and he has a kids. I think so. And maybe sometimes when you feel sick, or sometimes that time he may express to you, but I don't see him or you reconnecting for the long term relationship. I don't see you disconnecting your husband. Yeah, I don't see it. Genuinely, I don't see it, you leaving your husband and your kids. But if he expresses also, but there is a change. Sometimes you may feel happy, but sometimes you will get the like you may get guilt. So better be as a friend, be a common friend. Don't go close, don't move close. So because there is a genuine feelings, it's okay. But once he lost is lost, because you have a family and you have a big responsibility in finance. As I know from your energy, I'm getting there is a lot of strong energy, like you want to do more money, or more stable family life you should have. For that you are working very hard, I feel. But the same way he is also thinking, he can't leave his family also, but he has genuine feelings. Maybe he will express. Sometimes if there is a family issues or something like that, I see him sharing with you also. I see him talking to you, sharing with you everything what all happened. Maybe me share his wife photo, family photos with you and talk about them. So I see everything. There is a lot of things actually shares to you. Even happy times he may share, and genuinely I see he may express. Actually, he will tell you, "I have never forgotten you" or something like that. Still, but I don't know how you'll take that, and maybe that time you will be silent. I feel so. I feel that genuine friendship is okay, but one day when you may feel guilt, actually, this won't happen as like that. What I'm telling you, I'm giving a guidance. Be friend, a common friend, but don't go move close, because it will affect your relationship right now. Because you already have a kids, you have to think about their growth also. They will learn the same, or they may gain some bad knowledge from you, by knowing or without knowing. I'm not telling it's like you are a bad person. I am telling situations right now, it's not in your favor right now, but he's having a lot of genuine feelings for you. Maybe because one time he shared lot of things with you, and again he want to share. It happens, actually. This happens. This what happens when you lose a person whom you love, or dearest person, and marry somebody else. Maybe again after long time, when you connect with them, sometimes some people may rejoin, or you may meet him. I see he may call you for meeting or something like that. But don't move with this. I'm not telling because I'm feeling your relationship may disconnect, or maybe you husband and wife may fight for this or something. You may doubt your husband, doubt, or like you may not show or tell, but you may feel guilt sometimes. With your face, your husband will understand. So I feel your husband knows very well about you. So I'm telling, when you make something guilty faces or something, he will catch you. So I'm not telling, it's up to you. This is what I got, but he has a feeling for you, and he has hope also. Like still long time you want to talk to you, want to meet you, but in different side, in another side, I don't want you to spend time with him alone, or I don't want. Maybe he will invite you personally to meet him. He will try to move on with you, but don't go so close, because even he is married, and even you have husband. You have to think of your family and responsibilities. So this is what I got for you, Swati. And the devil card here, I'm surely telling, don't move on this, because when you go to third party situations with knowing, you are a very mature person, actually, as I know. With knowing, like if you want to be friend also, sometimes it will also harm you. So try. So I'm Yes, dear, you have to disconnect. It's not good, actually. I don't want to hurt you. You have to disconnect with him, because it goes very emotional also. I see he may come emotionally forward, and he may it may go deeply. Actually, you may meet him. Actually, you may meet him because you are so soft hearted. You will feel his tears, you will feel his pain. So you are very soft hearted, you will trust and you will go. Then later, if you do any wrong with him and something, lifetime guilt you will be having. This is what I see when you go with him. So better try to disconnect, or just I hello bye, that's all, not so close. No, Swati, it's not a feedback. It's really reality. If you move on with him, I feel within 2 years, maybe you may feel too much of guilt for your family and for yourself. Maybe you're unable to be true to yourself. So hold on that. So I feel it's up to you to disconnect, but I don't know how we will act. But till now, whatever I got through energies or to angel cards, whatever I got, I have said you. So just you're already in a nice place right now. There is a reason for everything, and the better place you're in right now. So just handle with care, okay? Right now, don't emotionally connect with him because it makes you blind, okay? It makes you blind. So try to disconnect as much as possible. First of all, I'm telling you one more thing. I saw the cards like devil card, again still it's here only. If you meet him, definitely there will be very much close things happening with him. So I see somewhere even you may fall again. So don't want, okay? Thanks for donating. So thank you for coming. So can you give me a feedback here? So that's all I got for you. So anything else? Any doubt? You have come the long way, Swati. You have come long way. You have all foundations under you. Don't yourself misuse it. Okay. So there is lot of respect for you from your husband side, from your family side. Don't lose it. Okay. So it was like Swati. It was like if you choose the direction, like from my energy, I saw your future. How you will go with the person. I saw like your meeting going close. It came very rush energy. It came actually. It will go very fast, but after once you do mistake, then you may feel guilt. This is what I felt. So I gave you a prior awareness because I am a clairvoyant. I saw your future with him. Like if you go in that way, how you may enact with situations I saw. That's what I gave you. So thank you, Swati. So anybody else want to donate for the question? I'm not doing free questions. People who are posting Sunita Palan, Jatinder, Kaur, husband divorce, yeah, reunion. Jatinder Kaur, don't Google Pay. You have to pay 199 rupees per question. So Nyansa, I'm not taking free questions. Sunita Palan, no free questions. It's a donated based live session. Guys who want serious donated based readings can donate me. There is a Google Pay link and PayPal link given in description box. Swati, so you're satisfied, you got all answers. So all the best. Please think and move, okay? He has feelings, but therefore, Swati, I don't see Vinod giving chance. like leaving his wife also. Maybe he may be with you secretly. So this I don't want, actually. This I don't want to see. This is very bad. So why I suggested to distance from him. So yes, Swati, this is how I do. It's not about money. It was, but you'll get a worth reading. That's what I want. If you go to any another readers, maybe you won't get detailed reading as much as I give for one question. It's just $3 or 199. You won't get so much of informations. But I just want to take, because even I am a professional. I don't want to do for charity here. If people are interested, they have to donate. So this is how it works. Okay, this is how it works. So Amruta Shilimkar, there is a link, there is a number I have given for Google Pay. The number you can note down, and you can donate me 199 rupees. I think this is very less amount, Swati, which I am taking. Then two people are taking lot of advantage here. I don't know. Free readings each time when they post questions. Free readings. How can I do free readings every day? There is certain period even I should leave a little, right? Amrita, the number is there in description box. You can check. Google Pay link and PayPal link. So which is convenient to you, you can click the link and you can pay. For time frames, it charges extra. Phone Pay I don't have, dear. But I think Google Pay will take Phone Pay also. You try adding my number. Swati, for the yeah, I'm doing from past 8 years, but Facebook I am new. That's all. This is how I actually prove people. I don't know, but everybody, here they take advantage. Like you, I even showed you, like starting when you came. I even spoke to you very, like I did energy reading to you. I was very well connected to you. That time also I told you, like I am new to Facebook, so why I'm fearing here. Many people will take free readings and they'll take advantage. This is what I don't like here. So I'm even thinking to stop this. So I'll just upload to the YouTube and I'll stop here. This is what I'm planning. But many of my clients, all they're telling, like, you do live but don't answer anybody. They're suggesting me, but I don't know. I can't handle so many people when they keep on posting. See, now everybody left. Check now, Swati, everybody left. People who respect my time, who value my time and pay for the readings. Actually, I won't charge any consultation fee also. Many people will charge for booking slot also, they'll charge some amount. But I'll directly ask them to pay full amount for the 40-minute session. So they will get 1 hour, more than that only I'll give for almost till now. How many people? Like more than 20 to 25,000 from past 3-4 years. So everybody have got more than 1 hour only from my side. I'll give them last 10 minutes or 5 minutes extra to think if they have any doubt or any questions, so that they should get a satisfied reading. And this is how I am blessed actually till now. Amrita, you can call me one-on-one. You can book your slot if you want 40 minutes reading. If you want only one question also, you can even call me, pay and call me. Within 5 to 10 minutes I'll finish. But I'm not giving so depth reading as much Swati, because Swati is my old client. She is her third time she's coming here. So she had a reading before. So for the new people, it's there is a by Swati, there is a time frame. So 40 minutes if you want, there is charge of something else. If you want per question, I can do here only. Otherwise, you can call me after paying. I will talk to you. So you can text me, Amruta, directly. You can text me. If you can't, if you are unable, if it is a too personal question to ask here, definitely we can maintain some secret. You can call me through messenger. Yes, you can WhatsApp me or WhatsApp call. That is the WhatsApp number which I have given. So you can text me there if you want to book your readings. If you want right now, first payment, then only I'll start reading. Like it's up to you. If you want 40-minute session, 40-minute session will have unlimited readings, unlimited questions, and remedy solution. So it's up to you. If you want 1-2 questions, the 40 minutes reading will be worth for you. So it's your wish. Try to message me in WhatsApp, same number. I will reply you. श्रीतमा दास, कॉल नहीं कर सकती हूँ, आप स्लॉट बुक करो, पहले अमाउंट पे करके मुझे स्क्रीनशॉट भेजो. उसमें व्हाट्सअप नंबर भी है, मैसेंजर में भी कॉल कर सकती हूँ, बट पेड रीडिंग्स ओनली, पर्सनल आई एम टेकिंग, नो फ्री क्वेश्चंस. Now if anybody is interested to pay, so I have a slot booking now, so I am disconnecting the live. I'm going to the booked readings. 2 people are waiting, so if anybody is there can pay. If 1 question or 2 questions is there, I'll do in live. If you need a depth reading separately, you can text me directly through messenger, so you may get my WhatsApp personal contact for that. Then we'll tell you how to follow the steps.